And the reason that you saw that is because the amazing Kelly Rowland.
Yes.
And we were in a burping contest at the Nickelodeon Kids' Choice back when we made Independent Women, Charlie's Angels, Destiny's Child, the Holy Trinity, the power of the three women coming together.
Oh my gosh.
Ross!
Don't Ross me.
That was you.
That was not me. You all saw.
That was totally Ross.
Save it for the game, Roland. Save it for the game.
Well, what is the game, Rossi?
Well, it's time. We got some big belchers here, so it's time for the Battle of the Burps. Here's how it is going to work. I hope you're all prepared. We'll have 3 rounds of burping, and at the end, our audience is going to vote for who they think burps the best. First round is a quick short burp. Drew, you're first. Give us your best short burp. Beautiful. Wow, well done. Okay, that was impressive. Kelly, can you match that? Oh, short. Oh, wow. Oh, such different, really minor.
That one had bass on it.
Yeah.
That was like when someone sneezes and they're like, and you're like, oh my God, it's the cutest sneeze I've ever heard.
Yeah, beautiful subtleties between them. Okay, let's raise the stakes, ladies. Round 2 is all about timing, okay? The challenge is, give us your longest belch. This will really bring the control into the...
That was wet.
That's all I got.
That was great. There were many levels to that. Wow. All right. Well, believe it or not, it's time for the final round. So I'm going to ask you each to burp the 3 names of the members of Destiny's Child. Drew, you're first. Can you do this?
Kelly. Michelle. L. Beyonce.
This is insane.
This is insane.
Say.
I'll accept it. We'll accept that.
And Kelly.
Well, somebody is actually going to win this game, and the audience, it's time for you to decide. Whoever gets the most applause is our winner. Is it Drew Barrymore? Or is it Belchy Rowland? What do we say? You know what? Belchy, I think we are going to give it to you. May I place the crown upon your head? Some flowers. Oh, here. Flowers. There you go.
No, this is not fair.
Do you want to share?
Wait, you know
I
what?
want to share.
Guess what?
I want to share the
We'll
crown.
share.
I'll share a crown.
Your winners of the Battle of the Burps, Kelly Rowland and Drew Barrymore.
Look how pretty these are.
Right now, you can see the fantastic film Mea Culpa, made by the one and only Tyler Perry, starring the beautiful Kelly Rowland, and it premieres February 23rd on Netflix. And you Netflix and chill with this one. Yes, you do. We'll be right back.